But we're glad to have you here. Hope you're having a great time. And we hope to see you again soon. Thank you.